let's make a beautiful melting lamb shank, a spicy lamb shank locked with flavors. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This beautiful lamb shank, we are making 3 pieces. So cleaned lamb shanks, rough chopped 6 cloves of garlic, green chilies 6 pieces, rough cut, 3 pieces of bay leaf, a big piece of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoon of paprika. If you don't have paprika, use chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 teaspoon of salt, freshly cracked black pepper half teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 10 pieces of mint leaves, 10 pieces of cilantro, rub it and marinate the lamb shank and rest for 24 hours for a better flavor in the refrigerator. Onto a skillet, pour some olive oil, remove the lamb shank from the fridge, add the lamb shank to the skillet. We will be braising the lamb shanks, browning the meat on all sides. So flip the sides. Make sure you brown all the sides of the meat. This will help us to lock the juiciness in the meat. Add the chilies and garlic. 1 sliced onions, should be thick. 2 sliced carrots, cut it thick. Combine well. Cook for 5 minutes. In between, don't miss out to give a stir. Place all the vegetables to the bottom of the skillet and the lamb shank on the top. Pour 2 cups of red wine and deglaze all the beautiful flavors from the skillet. Cook for 10 minutes. Let the wine reduces. Add 2 cups of stock. Bring to boil. Preheat the oven at 315 degree Fahrenheit. Place the skillet in the oven. Make sure you keep it open. Close the oven and cook for 3 hours. Slow cook will make it beautiful and tender. See the beautiful colored lamb shank and soft and tender. All the red wine is absorbed by the lamb shank. Transfer to a plate. Pour the sauce on the top. Using a fork, just remove like this. Beautiful, soft, tender, locked with flavors. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Just make sure